Ever since the pandemic, drivers have gotten much more reckless and speeding even more prevalent. Suck McJones back here is not happy that we're all doing 10 over the limit. I'm not so sure I can blame projectile diarrhea on his desire to speed to his destination. While his pass itself is legal, he is going close to 90 miles per hour.
That guy's in a big frickin' hurry.
After many miles, he never got very far. All that speeding and risking a traffic citation to save 20 seconds. And here he cuts off an oncoming driver as he turns. Some people just aren't endowed with gray matter.
Yeah, but you watch. As soon as I go to pull in, somebody will pull in right before me.
We're heading to this gas station and planned on taking a pump on this aisle. Because our gas tank is on the driver's side, and we need to be facing the main street because of where we're heading after filling up. But Snafu Schneider decides to muck things up. He's a courier delivering paperwork to the gas station. But instead of pulling forward so we could reach a gas pump, he blocks both pumps.
Why didn't he pull forward?
I don't know.
What an ass.
Oh good, now maybe he'll leave or scoot forward?
Not this around?
Did he really think we were just sitting here for the hell of it?
Hello? Excuse me. You could at least pull forward? Rude much.
Blocking both gas pumps is what you do when your head is stuffed with cobwebs, and not the good kind. Oh, let's not forget this guy who illegally bypassed the red light by cutting through the gas station. You haven't seen this spot in our videos for a while, but here we are back at this place where the left lane backs up because of drivers queuing up for the upcoming left turn lanes. And as usual, we have the same cognitively impotent turd sniffers that don't want to wait like everyone else and would rather go up, block the left lane so they can cut in line. I really hope this last turd sniffer got rage honked. Those people's driving was about as worthless as... are those pants or shorts?
Oh, buddy. In many situations, swing it on out there.
It isn't clear for morbidly moronic Mike to go, and he cuts off both directions of traffic. And now he's on the wrong side of the road in the oncoming turn lane. He even got flipped off by one of the drivers he cut off. His ever becoming a better driver is about as likely as space aliens landing on my butt. And yes, this is Occidental towing, and I'm delighted to see he's not breaking any traffic laws right here. When this light is red, drivers will often turn right here instead of turning right at the next light because it can be quicker to turn here instead of turning further up there. This guy initially is going to turn right, but then the light goes green, and instead of committing to the right turn like he's supposed to, he then goes straight from the right side, cutting off drivers going straight. People like him are as annoying as finding a turd in your root beer float.
Oh shit.
Whoa,
Whoa.
what's that?
Albert Einstein over here doesn't like these pesky red octagons. stop signs are probably not the only thing he blows hard.
Be really funny someday. I mean, obviously, don't do it. Oh, he's doing it. Hit the brakes. Fuckers.
Creeping, crawling Christopher Creighton is driving slowly enough that by the time he gets home, his great-great-great-grandchildren will all be grown up. We start out with nobody behind us, but he's going so slow that we suddenly do get someone behind us. Meanwhile, Christopher Creighton continually passes multiple places where he can pull over to let us pass by. It takes a while for his Commodore 64 brain to take the hint. Finally, he must have had to reboot his brain because the last honk worked. His one brain cell was getting really lonely up there. And here we have another driver driving like he's running out of gas. Actually, it's two drivers driving as slow as frozen piss. The guy behind us is annoyed, and this motorcyclist has had enough. He got past the second slow driver, and now he passes illegally to get past the first slow driver. Fortunately for us, the first slow driver turns off, which will make it easier for us to get past this rolling roadblock. Now it's our turn. But did you see what this driver did? As we're starting to pass, he jabs on the brakes for no apparent reason, and then once we're past, he gives an angry gesture, which the camera barely picked up. Some people take passing as a personal affront. What's interesting is that back in 2020, the exact same thing happened in this exact same spot.
But this isn't just any snail on Xanax poking along at 15 to 20 under the speed limit.
No, he's an angry and bitter snail on Xanax that doesn't like to be passed. See that? Angry gesture. I'd rather snuggle up to a porcupine than to keep getting stuck behind these snails on Xanax. This is the kind of driver we all love to hate. Peter Panic is initially doing exactly the speed limit, but as we begin inching ever closer to this California Highway Patrol car one lane over, Peter Panic gradually begins slowing down under the speed limit with nobody in front of him. He's terrified of going past the police car, even though we are well under the speed limit by now. As the cop slows down and hits the brakes, so does Peter Panic, hitting the brakes too. Now we're doing 15 under the limit, all because this moron is scared to go past a police car. He took his sweet time getting back up to a normal speed and waited until the cop exited the freeway before resuming the speed limit. People like him are experiencing a cranial deficiency.
She will avoid it like the plague. She has nothing to do with it.
Why doesn't that surprise me?
Right?
So much more efficient.
Yeah, we
So much more.
I came this one way too.
Crackhead Kathy's aunt, Roofie Rhonda, had her head destroyed by an excess of keggers in her college years. She's backing out of her parking spot and then does this. And just when you think things are going to improve, they don't. I simply don't have words for the level of stupid you're witnessing right now. But then, this other driver seems to have just fallen asleep. These mentally vacant know-nothings make me wonder if the zombie apocalypse is already upon us.
What are you doing? You can't be serious. my God! Really? Oh yeah, flip me off. Ooh, howdy there, cowboy. You enjoy riding fast, don't ya? Oh my God, what is he doing? Wow. Oh my God, that same Audi. Wow. Jesus, dude. Really? Oh, what are you? Oh my gosh. Wow. Let me just go real quick and interrupt everybody on the road.
You're about to see an epic traffic mess.
Oh my God. Dude, are you freaking serious? Are you serious? Why did you go?
Safety first.
Why did you go, dumbass? That dude's not going to be able to move in the pickup. What does he want? Look, they're still sitting there because he can't move.
Alright guys, there's a lot more exciting content to come. So be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, drop a comment below, give us a thumbs up and share. Also, check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.